Hey everyone, in this video we'll learn about React prompting, not the framework, so that used for uh, like front-end applications. That is different. So here React means RE means reasoning and ACT means action. So that's why they're calling it as React. Okay. Mm. So it's one of the most important technique in terms of agentic AI. Like let's say you're building some agentic AI applications or AI agents. At that time, they'll use this framework like this prompting technique. That is React. Okay. So this will allow LLMs to interact with some external tools to retrieve additional information. So that's what majorly agents will do, right? So it will do some function calling or tool use. So you have some external tools with the help of your prompt, like you'll understand I have to call that function or call that tool. Then based on the results, I have to proceed further. So this is the process you will do in agentic AI or AI agents. The same thing. So in order to do that, you need some prompt. So React prompting is one of the best framework or prompting technique in order to deal with this agentic AI or AI agents applications. Okay. So you can integrate, you can combine this React with other techniques like chain of thought, few shot prompting, etc., etc. So we'll see one example so that you can get some clarity. So here there is a question like what is the elevation range for the area that the eastern sector of the Colorado orogency extend into. So then thought is like first it has to search for Colorado orogency, then orogeny, and after that it has to find the area that the eastern sector of the Colorado orogeny extend into. Then it's find the elevation range of the area. So then first action is it has to search for this Colorado orogeny. So then it got the observation. The Colorado orogeny was an episode of mountain building and in Colorado and surrounding areas. Then the next thought is it does not mention eastern sector, so I need to look up for eastern sector. You can see this. The action two is like it has to look up for eastern sector. Then there is an observation. The eastern sector extend into the high plains, and it's called a central plain orogeny. So then eastern sector of there is a thought. So what it was doing, there is a thought, and after that it did one action, and based on that it observes something. That is nothing but observation. So in that way, it will do all this analysis, and finally it got the final outcome. So thought three is the eastern sector of Colorado orogeny extend into high plains. So I need to search high plains and find its elevation range. Then you can see this action. Every time it was based on the thought, the action was changing. Earlier it was like search, and after that it has to look up, and after that it has to search, and the things are changed. Then observation three is like based on that, based on the action, it was giving observation like high plains refers to one of the two distinct land regions. Then next thought, like I need to instead of searching high plains, like it has to search for high plains, USA, like United States, then it has to search for that. And after that, based on that, it got another observation. The high plains are a subregion of green plains from east to west. The high plains rise in the elevation from around 1800 to 1700 feet. So then it got the next thought. So high plains rise in the elevation from 1800 to 7000 feet. So the answer is this 1800 to 7000, right? So, so this is how it was coming up with the answer. Like that is nothing but a React prompt. So there is a reason, and based on that reason, you are taking some action. So there is a step-by-step process how you deal with the chain of thought prompting. In the same way, the multiple thoughts will be there, and based on that, you can combine this with the same few shot prompting and other techniques also. But the point is like there is a reason, and based on that reason, you have to take certain action, and this prompting technique is extremely useful in AI, like implementing agents. Okay, so yeah, that's it. We'll see you in the next tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.